Vaquita, the world's smallest porpoise, is critically endangered, with fewer than 10 remaining in the Gulf. The golden poison dart frog, one of the most toxic animals, is endangered due to habitat loss and illegal. The Amur leopard, found in the Russian Far East, is critically endangered with fewer than one. The black-footed ferret, once thought extinct, is critically endangered with fewer than 500 individuals. The Sumatran orangutan, found in Indonesia, is critically endangered due to deforestation. The Javan rhino, with fewer than 75 left, is one of the rarest rhino species in the world. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered with fewer than 250 individuals. The cross-river gorilla, native to the border regions of Nigeria and Cameroon, is critically endangered with. The Galapagos tortoise, native to the Galapagos Islands, is one of the longest living species, facing threat. The red panda, found in the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China, is endangered due to habitat loss. Wild dog, known for its social packs, is endangered due to habitat loss and disease. The Baiji dolphin, once native to the Yangtze River, was declared extinct due to pollution and boat traffic. The Goliath frog, the world's largest frog, faces endangerment from habitat loss and overcollection. The Anganoka tortoise, native to Madagascar, is critically endangered, with fewer than 100 in. The kakadu cuckoo, native to Australia, faces threats from climate change and habitat loss. The vaquita, the world's smallest porpoise, is critically endangered with fewer than 10 left in the wild. The greater bilby, native to Australia, is endangered due to habitat loss and introduced predators. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, is endangered due to past hunting and ongoing environmental threats. The okapi, a forest giraffe from the Congo, is critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. The pangolin, the world's most trafficked mammal, is critically endangered due to poaching for its scales and meat. White-tailed deer, widely distributed in North America, faces overpopulation and human wildlife. The red-eyed tree frog, found in Central America, is threatened by habitat loss and climate change. The snow leopard, native to Central Asia, is endangered due to poaching and habitat fragmentation. The Andean condor, one of the largest flying birds, is endangered due to habitat loss and human persecution. The Galapagos marine iguana is the only sea-going lizard facing threats from climate. The black rhinoceros, critically endangered due to poaching, is found in Africa and faces severe conservation. The black rhinoceros, critically endangered due to poaching, is found in Africa and faces severe conservation. The Sumatran orangutan, native to Indonesia, is critically endangered due to deforestation. The Javan rhino, with fewer than 75 individuals left, is found only in Indonesia's Ujung Kulon National. The Spix's macaw, once thought extinct, is being reintroduced into the wild after successful breeding. Mola, known as the Asian unicorn, is critically endangered with fewer than 100 left in. The cross-river gorilla, found in Central Africa, is critically endangered with fewer than 300 in. The black-footed ferret, once thought extinct, is critically endangered with fewer than 500 left. The okapi, native to the Congo, is a forest giraffe, critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. The Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle is critically endangered with fewer than 10 individuals left. The greater bilby, native to Australia, is endangered due to habitat loss and introduced predators. The golden poison dart frog, one of the most toxic animals, is endangered by habitat loss in Colombia. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered with fewer than 250 individuals. The Andean condor, one of the largest flying birds, is endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. The Spix's macaw, once extinct in the wild, is being reintroduced through successful breeding programs. Cheetah, the world's most endangered marine mammal, has fewer than 30 individuals left. The Javan rhino, found only in Indonesia, is critically endangered with fewer than 75 left. The Amur leopard, one of the rarest big cats, is critically endangered with fewer than 100 left. The Sumatran orangutan, native to Indonesia, is critically endangered due to habitat destruction. The Baiji dolphin, once native to China's Yangtze River, is functionally extinct. The giant Iriomote cat from Japan is critically endangered with fewer than 100 left. The Philippine eagle, known as the monkey-eating eagle, is critically endangered due to habitat loss. The Tapanuli orangutan, the newest species of orangutan, is critically endangered with fewer than 800 left. The northern bald ibis, found in parts of North Africa, is critically endangered with fewer than leopard roams frozen mountains, but climate change now threatens its survival. The axolotl can regrow limbs, yet pollution has pushed it near extinction. The red panda lives in Himalayan forests, disappearing fast due to deforestation. The pangolin is the world's most trafficked mammal, hunted for illegal trade. The Ethiopian wolf is the rarest canid, surviving only in highland regions. The hawksbill sea turtle is endangered by poaching, pollution, and coral loss. The saiga antelope's population collapsed due to disease and illegal hunting. African wild dogs rely on teamwork, yet habitat loss threatens their future. The spoon-billed sandpiper is critically endangered due to coastal destruction. The Irrawaddy dolphin faces extinction from dams, fishing nets, and pollution. The pangolin is hunted illegally, making it one of Earth's most endangered mammals. The golden lion tamarin survives only in Brazil's rapidly disappearing rainforests. Once widespread, the Philippine crocodile now survives only in small pockets, threatened by habitat destruction, thought to be extinct for over a century. The Lord Howe Island stick insect miraculously survived on. The African penguin, struggling to survive, faces food shortages caused by overfishing and with fewer than 80 left. The Sumatran rhinoceros, one of the smallest rhino species, is endemic to New Zealand. The yellow-eyed penguin is among the rarest of its kind, endangered by human, symbolizing global conservation efforts. The giant panda's survival depends on the shrinking bamboo forest. Known for its fierce growl, the Tasmanian devil faces a grim future as a contagious tumor disease. The Amazon River dolphin, famous for its pink hue, is threatened by pollution, damming of rivers, and habitat. Kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered with fewer than 250 left. Mountain gorillas, living in the volcanic mountains of Central Africa, face extinction due to poaching, disease. The cross-river gorilla, found in the remote forests of Central Africa, is critically endangered with fewer than 3. Once thought extinct, the black-footed ferret has made a comeback, but is still critically endangered with fewer. The Andean condor, soaring high over the South American Andes, is endangered due to hunting, poisoning. Once extinct in the wild, Spix's macaw is being reintroduced through breeding programs, offering hope for one of the rarest reptiles. The Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle has fewer than 10 individuals left. The greater bilby, a nocturnal marsupial from Australia, is endangered due to habitat loss. Known as one of the most toxic animals on Earth, the golden poison dart frog is endangered by habitat. The snow leopard, a symbol of the high mountain ranges, is critically endangered due to poaching, habitat loss. The rarest marine mammal, is critically endangered with fewer than 30 left with fewer than 75 left. The Javan rhino is critically endangered due to poaching and habitat. The Amur leopard, one of the rarest big cats, faces extinction with fewer than 100 individuals remaining. The pygmy three-toed sloth, found only on a small island, is critically endangered due to habitat loss. The Sumatran orangutan, native to Indonesia, is critically endangered with fewer than 50. Once abundant, the Baiji dolphin is now functionally extinct, a casualty of pollution and habitat with fewer than 100 individuals left. The giant Iriomote cat is critically endangered, threatened. The Philippine eagle, one of the largest eagles, is critically endangered with fewer than 400 individuals. Discovered in 2017, the Tapanuli orangutan is critically endangered with fewer than 8. The northern bald ibis, once widespread, is now critically endangered with fewer than 1,000 individuals. The tiger roams the forests of Russia with fewer than 600 left, facing threats from poaching, and with fewer than 30 individuals remaining. The vaquita is the world's most endangered marine mammal. The Indian pangolin, critically endangered due to poaching, is one of the most trafficked mammals on Earth. The West Indian manatee is endangered by boat strikes and habitat loss, with its numbers declining steadily. The Bornean orangutan, native to Borneo, is critically endangered, facing deforestation and illegal Found only in the Congo rainforest, the okapi is critically endangered due to habitat loss, and the kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered with fewer than 250. The Hawaiian monk seal is one of the rarest seals, endangered by human activity. Entanglement in the pangolin, covered in protective scales, is the world's most trafficked animal, driven to the brink of extinction. With fewer than 5,000 individuals remaining, the black rhinoceros faces poaching and habitat loss